Good morning, Professor.
Good morning. So what have you all planned to learn today?
Today we would like to learn verb phrase.
You'll have chosen good topic. So let's begin.
Yes, Professor.
Okay, so before starting with verb phrase, do you know what phrases are?
No, Professor, I have forgotten.
Phrases are a group of words that work together to communicate an element of speech. They are very important because they allow us to communicate better through both written and spoken language. Do you know, and what does phrase consist of?
Yeah. Phrase consists of verb and a noun.
Okay. Good, so today we all are going to learn what are verb phrases. A verb phrase or verbal phrase consists of a main verb and a helping verb. Examples are walked, can see, had been waiting, and many more. I hope you kids are understanding.
A verb phrase can be the predicate of the clause or sentence.
Yes, it can be.
What does helping verb include?
Helping verbs include forms of be, such as am, is, are, was, were, being, and been. Forms of have, such as has and had. Forms of do, such as does and did. Forms of can, such as could, will, would, and shall. And forms of should, such as may, might, and must.
Does helping verbs comes before the main verb?
Yes, but not always. For example, John laughed for what seemed like an hour. In this sentence, for what seemed like an hour is a prepositional phrase that explains how long John laughed.
Yeah, Professor.
Shall I ask you the question?
Yes, Professor. We want to play rapid fire round.
Yes, we will, but let's first take a trial round. We will distribute pamphlets as part of our presentation. Tell me, what is verb phrase in the above sentence?
We'll distribute.
Good. Next sentence, Ethan should take his watch to get repaired. What is the main verb in the sentence?
Take.
Brilliant. Now tell me, which is the helping verb is in the following sentence. Jonah and Elsa must collect donations for the charity.
Collect.
Good, now let's begin with the rapid fire round.
Identify the phrasal verb.
Now let's play rapid fire round. Kids, even you can join us. Take a pen and paper. I'll ask you 10 questions. You have to pick out the correct option. Each question time is 10 seconds. Each question is for 2 marks. I'll give answer of every question once the rapid fire is over. Write down your point in the comment box. All the best. Question 1. Identify the correct meaning of the phrasal verb given below. Make up for 1. Leave hurriedly. 2. Compensate for. 3. Claim. 4. Invent. Next question. Question 2. Identify the phrasal verb which is incorrectly used. 1. The soldiers blew up the bridge. 2. The train was blown up by the terrorist. 3. She blew the candle up. 4. The balloon was blown off. Question 3. Fill in the blank with correct phrasal verb from the given alternatives. I am, group of underscores, my books. 1. Looking down. 2. Looking after. 3. Looking at. 4. Looking for. Question 4. Have you ever, group of underscores, such an unusual piece of art? Come / come across. Question 5. It's important to, group of underscores, on time. Show up / show off? Question 6. Group of underscores, your feet when walking. You don't want to trip. Uplift / lift up? Question 7. The tree was, group of underscores, by the wind. Blown up / blown over. Question 8. We have already, group of dots, many of our natural resources. 1. Gone over. 2. Gone through. 3. Gone up. 4. Gone after. Question 9. Choose the suitable phrasal verb and complete the sentence. Patriots, group of underscores, their life for their country. 1. Lay up. 2. Lay down. 3. Lay aside. 4. Lay for. Question 10. It was very nice to meet you today. I am, group of underscores, you again soon. A. Looking forward to meet. B. Looking forward to meeting. C. Looking forward meeting. Now let's look for the answers. Hope you all have understood.